Thank you, and it's a conversation that we've had just this very morning. It's deeply concerning that there are shelling of civilian areas and the potential for harm to civilians and threat to life is something that is deeply worrying. You know, I would hope that this sort of shelling could stop as soon as possible because it's something that we don't want to see. You know, we are interested as the United Kingdom in working with the Kurdistan region to ensure this is a prosperous, secure and stable or autonomous, semi-autonomous region. And so de-escalation and the stopping of shelling, particularly of civilians, is something we would like to see as soon as it's feasible. Well, as I regularly talk to all of the political contacts across the Kurdistan region, we're very keen for the Kurdistan region to hold its elections because this is a democratic region and we want to see that democracy flourish and grow, and the reason we want that is because it's good for the citizens of the Kurdistan region. So we support elections taking place in the Kurdistan region as and when the Parliament can convene and organise them and they can take place.